Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Success SEO Solution YouTube channel. I am Demon, and today we are diving into one of the most crucial aspects of SEO: keywords. What are they, and why are they so important? And even more importantly, what types of keyword out there? If you are looking to improve your website ranking and attract more visitors, you are in the right place. Simply put, keywords are the words and phrases people type into search engines like Google when they are looking for something. Think about it. If you are looking for new pair of running shoes, you might type in best running shoes for flat feet or Nike running shoes sale. These are keywords. For your business, understanding which keyword your target audience is using is absolutely essential. It's like knowing the secret language your customers speak. If you know the right keyword, you can optimize your website and content to appear in search results when people are looking for what you offer. Let's talk about the different types of keyword. They are not all created equally. We can broadly categorize them based on their length and intent. Tail keyword. These are short generic keywords, usually one or two words. Think shoe, pizza or cars. They have high search volume, but they are also very competitive. It's harder to rank for this because many businesses are targeting them. Second one is mid-tail keyword. These are a bit longer and more specific, usually two or three words. Example include running shoes, pepperoni pizza, or used Toyota car. They have a good balance of search volume and less competition than short-tail keyword. Third one is long-tail keyword. These are longer, more specific phrases, often four or more words. Think best running shoes for women with plantar facilities. Order pepperoni pizza online or use Toyota Camry near me. They have lower search volume, but they are much less competitive, and they often have higher conversion rate because they target a very specific audience. Think about the intent behind each type. Someone searching for shoes might be just browsing. Someone searching for best running shoes for women with plantar facility is much closer to making a purchase. So, which keyword should you focus on? The answer is a mix. While long tail keywords can be easier to rank for and often convert better, you should not completely ignore short and mid tail keywords. They can still bring in a significant amount of traffic. We will be covering keyword research strategies in a future video, but for now, remember to think about what your ideal customer would search for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to help you find relevant keywords and analyze their search volume and competition. That's it for today's overview of keyword and their types. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more SEO tips, and leave a comment to below. If you have any question, we had love to hear from you. And if you need any kind of professional SEO services, Success SEO Solution is here for you. See you in the next video.